Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about how you can find out the number of broken images in a web page. Okay, so this is one of the important interview question that is asked in quality assurance engineering interview or QA interview. So there might be a scenario that you need to come across in your day-to-day life as a QA engineer, that you have to automate test cases, right? So you have to find out the number of broken images in a web page, so and report this to the developer along with the proper logs and all. Okay, so in that case you can write a selenium script. How will you do that? Okay, so first of all you have to understand that what is broken images. Okay, so this is a application where, as you can see, the images come like this. So you might have encountered such type of scenarios previously. So if you inspect the element, right, so I'm going to inspect these elements over here. If you inspect these elements, you will be able to see there is an image tag for all the images. Okay, so what we can do is we can collect all the image tags, total number of image tags, so that we can achieve using list. So as you can see here, I have written the code. I'll give you a walkthrough through this code. So here, as you can see, I have written driver.findElements by.tagname img. So all the images tag will be stored. So but this is not your expectations, right? My expectation is that I want to find the number of broken images, not the total number of images. Okay, so for that, basically I have written a for each loop to iterate over all the loops, to iterate over all the broken images. And in that code I have to, there is an attribute such as src. So if you can see src attribute, so in image there is src attribute. In every web page it will be there like this. So we have to get the URL like this. So I'll store it in a string URL variable, and after that you have to establish a HTTP connection. Okay, so you can do this by the help of this statement. So you will get this code in my repository. I will provide the link in the description. You can go and check this out. And once you have established the connection, you have to set the request method. Okay, so here I have set the request method as head. So if you are not understanding the set request method, you can go to ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT here. So here, as you can see, set request method, we have to. So let me ask, what is set request method? What is set request method head? So let's check what. So it is telling that the set request method head method in the HTTP URL connection class is used to set the HTTP request method to head. This is an HTTP method similar to GET, but it requests only the headers from the server and not the actual content. This can be useful for checking the status of the resource such as image without downloading the resource itself. Okay. Okay, so basically we are not sending get here. Okay, instead of get we are passing head. Why? Because if you perform get request, then it will download some files that you might not want in. Okay, so for that reason we are using head. So basically this will fetch only the headers. Okay, headers of the request response, right? So once this is done, you can check the status. So connection is established and we have to check the status code. Okay, so status code is, so if the status code is 400 means the image is not fetched from the server. 400 or greater than 400, this is a check. Okay, so I am increasing the count variable. So I have initialized the count variable over here as the 0, so that we need to return the count of broken images. So I am increasing the count over here in the if block, and I am like catching any exception over here, and at the end of this code I am just quitting the driver and returning the count, and also I am returning the count variable. So if I run this code, I am going to show you. So we have a main method over here. Here I have called the function and it's a static function. So I'm going to run this Java code over here. So if you run this code, we will get the total number of broken images in the web page. Okay, so it has closed. So let's go in the console and see it is giving the 2 as output. Okay, and we can also make sure this in the actual web app. So 2 elements are broken. So in this way you can find out the total number of broken images in the web page. I hope this video will help you to get some information. If you want to get the code, you can find it in my GitHub repo, it will be there. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and share this video. Till then, I will see you in the next video.